What? $50 or more just to type names? $50 or more to type names. Yes, you heard that right. You can type names for $50 or more, up to 500. But stay with me throughout this video so you can see how. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make up to $500 typing names from your computer. But before we get started, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me, and for those that do, welcome back. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about digital marketing, mindset, and freedom, and I talk about how to make money on this channel every single week. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and drop me a comment down below, and just let me know where you're from. Let's dive right into today's video. So guys, this is trading your time for money, and it is pretty amazing. But if you are interested in a more passive income, then stay with me till the end of the video. But guys, business name contest. This is how I'm talking. You can come in here and you can type and you can actually make money by coming up with business names. What is this website? Let me give you the name here in a second, but let me talk to you about how it works. So what this website does is it gives business name contests, and it gives you an ability to go in, join a contest. They pay the winner for the business name that they come up with. You may be asking, hey Zeb, how do I come up with business names? Well, stay with me a little longer. I'm going to show you how you can come up with business names with this free tool. So how can I get started? So first, let's talk a little bit about the website. There's 3 steps here, and you can come in here, you can go to the site. I'll show you the site's name here in 1 second, and start a contest. So how do we get to the site? It's namingforce.com. Namingforce.com. You come in here, you become a namer, okay? You become a namer, and then you actually start a name contest. And here are the naming contests. Then you actually come in here, you join a contest, you name it, you can make up to $500. Now let's go over here to their portfolio. This is a bunch of things that they've had in their past where companies have used them for them to come up with names. Now, it's a simple process, but how do I get paid? That's probably what most people ask here, right? But let's first jump over here and look at the winners over the last several months. Right here, 60-day leaderboard, 700, 500, 300, 300, 250. You can see here, these are the latest winners. $100 for Skylantis Properties, that's a name. Omnilux Properties, Mobilab Medical, In-House Med Example. These are all 100, 200. So you can see they're giving out money for winners here. But how do I come up with good ideas? Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. If you could do me a favor and give me a like and drop me a comment down below and just let me know where you're from. Now let's get back to the video. Business names. All right, let's come over here. I already typed in hemp here. Say it was a hemp company looking for a name for their company. So you just come in here, you type the keyword that they're going for, all right? And then you can look here, Outpost Hemp, Top Dog Hemp, Syndicate Hemp, Hemp Hyper, Big Time Hemp, Fabulous Hemp, Hemp Gate, Sapphire Hemp, Agenda Gate, Empress Gate, Empress Hemp, Smashing Hemp, Hemp Workshop, Grasshopper Hemp. You get the deal here, right? You just come to this site, you type in hemp, and go. So what is this site's name? Oberlo.com. OBERLO.com. Just come here. It's a free tool. You can come in here and get your business name. Then you go back here and you just put in your name that you wanted. And if you win, they're going to actually pay you money for that little bit of time that you took to submit a name to the contest. So guys, I urge you, if you want to do this, of course, this is trading time for your money. Namingforce.com. Come in here, become a namer, sign up, sign in and join a contest and start using Oberlo to come up with your names. All right, guys, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. But if you are looking for a passive income, one that can make you a full-time income online, click the link down below at the top of the description. That link will take you to another website that will give you some information where you can actually make a passive income, make money, how I do, why I'm sleeping, why I'm on vacation, Why I'm at my 9 to 5 and getting paid a second time. Guys, this is the real deal if you want to learn how to make a passive income. Alright guys, I'm over. It's over. Again, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Peace out, and I'll catch you on the next video.